How to calibrate iPhone battery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily calibrate your iPhone battery. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the settings on your iPhone. Once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on battery. Now here, simply tap on battery health to check if your battery is in normal health. While iPhones automatically manage battery performance well, calibrating can help if you have just replaced the battery or gotten a new device. And after that, you can go back to the battery settings and tap on charging. And here, you need to ensure that the optimized battery charging and clean energy charging is turned off. So, if it is turned on, you can simply toggle it off. And after that, you need to charge your phone to 100% without unplugging it. And once fully charged, you can unplug it and use it until the battery completely drains and the phone shut down. Plug it back in and charge it back to 100% without interruption. And after completing this process, your battery calibration should be optimized. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.